Hi, this is King of Review. A rectangle with an area of 150 square inches has a length that is 5 less than twice its width. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. So first, let's draw a picture of our rectangle here. We're told that the area of this rectangle is 150 square inches. And we're told that the length is 5 less than twice the width. So if the width is here, how do we write an expression for 5 less than twice its width? This will be the length. So 5 less than twice its width is 2w minus 5. So now we have our length here and our width here. And what is the equation for the area of a rectangle? This is area equals length times width. So let's fill in the information that we know. We know the area is 150. We know the length is 2w minus 5, and the width is w. So now let's distribute this w to each item within the parentheses. We get 150 equals 2w squared minus 5w. Now I want to get a 0 on one side of the equation, so let's move the 150 over to the right-hand side. I'll subtract 150, and now I have 0 equals 2w squared minus 5w minus 150. This equation is in the form 0 equals ax squared plus bx plus c. When we have an equation in this form, we can use the quadratic equation to solve for x. The quadratic equation is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, and all of this is divided by 2a. The a, b, and c values come from these numbers here. So in our equation, a equals 2, b equals negative 5, and c equals negative 150. Let's substitute in these values into the quadratic equation. Now instead of x, we're solving for w. So we have w equals minus a negative 5 plus or minus the square root of negative 5 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 150, and all of this is divided by 2 times 2. Now let's simplify. We get w equals 5 plus or minus the square root of 1,225, all divided by 4. So we're going to have two values for w. One is calculated using the plus sign, and the other is calculated using the minus sign. So we get w equals 10, and we get w equals negative 7.5. So let's think about this for a minute. What is w? Well, w is the width. It's the width of this rectangle. Can we have a negative width on a rectangle? No, we can't. That doesn't make sense. Therefore, this answer is incorrect. We're going to go with this value for w. W equals 10. So now we know what the width is. Now we can calculate the length. The equation area equals length times width is the area of a rectangle. And now let's insert the information that we know. Area is 150. The length is what we're solving for. And the width, that's 10. We solved for that here. So now we have L equals 150 divided by 10, and this equals 15. So the length equals 15. You could have also solved for the length here. Length equals 2w minus 5. So you could have gone 2 times 10 minus 5, and this equals 15. So our answer is the width is 10 inches and the length is 15 inches. Letter B is correct. Thanks for watching.